Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mansi Khanderia, consultant medical oncologist at Narayana Health City, Bangalore. Colon cancer is the third most commonly diagnosed cancer in India, both amongst men and women, and the incidence increases with increasing age. So a majority of our patients are elderly, 65 to 70 years of age. Treatment of colon cancer consists of surgery, which alone is enough in stage 1 and stage 2. But in stage 3 and stage 4 cancer, chemotherapy is a vital component of treatment. It not only decreases the chance of the cancer coming back, but it also improves the survival. In elderly patients, a lot of them are denied chemotherapy because of the fear of risk of complications, and a lot of them also refuse to take chemotherapy because of the assumption that it will not be tolerated. But if the doses of chemotherapy are modified according to the kidney function and the comorbidities of the patient, chemotherapy may not only improve the quantity of life, but it will also improve the quality of life. Mr. Subir Ray was diagnosed with stage 3 colon cancer in 2018. After surgery, he was advised to take 6 months of chemotherapy. However, after first cycle of chemotherapy, when he developed loose stools, he thought it was because of chemotherapy and he stopped further chemotherapy. Within a few months, he was diagnosed to have a liver metastasis, which made him stage 4 colon cancer. And in stage 4, when it is colon cancer and there is only one metastasis, there is still a chance of cure. So he underwent a procedure called radiofrequency ablation for the liver metastasis, followed by 8 cycles of chemotherapy, which he tolerated very easily, very comfortably, and he is doing very well now. So please do not deny our elderly the chance of cure by giving chemotherapy, because it can be tolerated well and it can be modified as per the patient's age. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Shubir Rai, cancer patient, of course, presently under remission. Well, in 2018, I was diagnosed to have third stage colon cancer. Within 2 weeks, I got myself operated, and after successful surgery, I contacted Dr. Mansi Khanderia, who is an oncologist at the NH. She immediately advised me to have a chemotherapy. Unfortunately, I could not go beyond the first round because of very severe diarrhea. After that, for 3 months, I was without any treatment. In the meantime, the CEA value started increasing, and getting a tips from there, Dr. Mansi asked me to have various scans. Now, all these scans revealed that there is a small isolated colon metastasis in the liver. Then Dr. Mansi suggested that radiofrequency ablation should be made for the liver metastasis. The procedure was conducted at the NH hospital, and it was done by Dr. Vikas. After 15 days of the procedure, it was found out from scan reports that the procedure was successful. After that, Dr. Mansi wanted me to have a full chemotherapy. However, she did adjust the dose of the chemo based upon her judgment of my past experience. She also put some restrictions on my diet. Fortunately, this time I could complete the full cycle, 8 cycles of the chemo. After that, test reports and scan reports showed that I am in remission, and I am continuing to be in remission. The side effects of chemo in my case was minimal. I do not have lost any hair. My weight is on the rise. My diet restrictions have been eased. Now I can take fish every day. I can have a taste of rasgulla and ice cream occasionally, and I can do my personal course myself. On the lighter vein, for a Bengali like me, there cannot be any better way of living than what I am doing now. All my minor side effects have disappeared with the cancer. Thank you. Namaskar.